Good morning, this is Airpools Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for Tuesday. Today I'm reading for Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio. And this reading here is for Virgo. Welcome, Virgo. We start with Astrology of you and me, and the card is the Virgo parent. Strengths are being protective and caring. Weaknesses are being overly strict, a bit rigid, and uncompromising. The interactive style of a Virgo parent is being authoritative, decisive, and even ritualistic. The Virgo parent loves making rules and regulations to be followed. A Virgo parent defends and protects their children, and they are likely to structure every aspect in that life of children in an effort to spare them pain and keep them away from any harm. But as it is always the case, their children, just like all other children, do not always appreciate such controlling attitudes from their parents, since they are seeking much more independence in their lives. Now we come to the good tarot. Card number 1 is the King of Fire. It's about spiritual influencer and creative inspired leader. Say this: when I am aligned with spirit, I am a powerful leader who inspires others. My mastery benefits others as I teach them directly at times and indirectly at other times, modeling what they might aspire to. How can I be confident in my own abilities and visions without becoming rigid or closed off to new ideas, is the question. And the second card from the good tarot is the Hermit. And the Hermit needs some time out. So say this: sometimes it is necessary to take time out for regrouping and for introspection. This is a temporary experience, but one necessary for my growth. When I step back, retreat, regroup, and renew, I have a clear perspective on everything in my life. The Sacred Traveler card is Rejuvenating Rain and relates to the clearing of the past and the healing in the present. The card's meaning is that physical and emotional healing is occurring. There is a cleansing and a clearing of old emotional wounds, and even a release of past life limitations that is happening for you. All is forgiven. Absolve yourself and forgive others their transgressions against you, because now it is time to let it all go. The Sacred Traveler wants you to know, in order for new growth to occur, The old must be cleared away. This card indicates a time of clearing out what does not serve and support you anymore. It can also indicate some clutter clearing. If you do not love that things that you have, most likely it is clutter. So get rid of it. Physical clutter can be indicative of emotional clutter. So it is time to release all of that and allow the cleaning metaphoric energy of the rain purify you and cleanse you in the deepest way. This is also a great time to go on a cleansing fast to clear out your body while all the emotions and challenges are clearing out of your energy field. Use water for cleansing your energy field. Stand in a cold shower or swim in a sea or just run in the rain. And the goddess temple card that you got is the moon maiden. And the moon maiden says discover the lunar cycles and the very cycles of nature and recover the rites of passage in human life. Create a sense of authentic intimacy with yourself, with nature, and with the cycle of the archetypes of the wheel of the goddess, fostering a sense of acceptance of your body and of your values. And the last card is the Oracle of the Birds deck card. It is a new deck, and the bird that came out for you is the pied wagtail. And this pied wagtail is about joy and pleasure. The meaning of the card is that this perky and delicate bird brings you pure joy. It reminds you to not only exert yourself physically, but to integrate pleasure and joy into your everyday life. With this delicate songbird, light-hearted moments insert themselves into your life. Do as the pied wagtail does, draw strength from a pure source, embrace the lightness of air, spread the wings of your soul, and grow beyond yourself and fly into the lightness of being. The magic feathers of the bird, they are saying to you, my contrasting black, white, and gray feathers, they stand out as a wake-up call for inner peace. With my delicate long stilts, I am constantly tripping around with a bobbing quick step in search of food. Sitting by the water, I remind you to pay attention to your emotional world and to look for mental balance. There are more meanings to the bird. It awakens joy. So free yourself from the cage of tension and get rid of negative thoughts which imprison you. Gifts, they come into your life. Freshness is coming in. So allow yourself to follow your inner trail. And say this affirmation: my soul being is pure joy, and I am expressing this in my whole being. That was the reading for you, Virgo. I hope you liked it. I do thank you for listening. Wishing you a joyous day today. Wishing you a joyous whole week. Sending out my love to you. Take care and goodbye.